All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at a double integral. This is going to be our double integral. We need to remember that we're going to work inside out. Okay, so that's why I put this inside integral here in red brackets. All right, this 1 and 3 are limits of integration for y. All right, and when we integrate in terms of y, our x here is going to be treated as a constant. All right, we will evaluate this in step 1, working on the inside out, and then we will replace that and then do a second integral with the 0 to 2 and the dx. All right, and that means that the 0 and the 2 are limits of integration for x. All right, so step 1, working on that inside out. We're going to take a look at the integral from 1 to 3, the x, the y squared dy. So we are integrating in terms of y, which means this x here is going to be treated just like a constant or a number. All right, it is a straight integration here, so nothing fancy on the integration. All right, we're just going to add 1 to the exponent right there, so we'll have a y to the third. All right, now, if this is a constant, then we'll just divide by that 3, so x over 3. All right, now we can evaluate, and keeping in mind we're plugging these in for y, it might be a good idea to go ahead and say y equals 1 and y equals 3. All right, that you have two variables in here that'll just help remember to plug them in for y. Okay, so I'm going to pull that x over 3 out in front since it's constant. I'm going to plug in my 3, so I'll have a 3 to the third minus 1 to the third. Okay, this is going to be a 27 minus 1, which will give me a 26. Overall answer here of 26 thirds x. Okay, now that is the answer to the inside portion. Okay, so my step 2 is going to be take this, put it in place of this integral, and now work the integral with the limits of integration for x and integrating in terms of x. All right, so my step 2, I'll have the integral from 0 to 2, replacing that inside integral with our answer. So 26 over 3x, and then having a dx. All right, now this is just a straight integration here. Again, so adding 1 to that exponent there, I'm going to keep the 26 thirds out in front. That'll be an x squared, and then just to show the 1/2 there in front like that. Okay, we'll have our limits of integration from 0 to 2. All right, since I only have one variable in here, there's no real need to do x equals 0, x equals 2. Okay, we understand it's going to be replaced there with the x. All right, going ahead and reducing this, I'll have a 13 thirds out in front. All right, and then plugging in that 2, I'll have a 2 to the second power minus a 0 to the second power. All right, this is going to be a 4. 4 times that 13 thirds will give us an overall answer of 52 over 3. All right, so just one pretty straightforward double integral there. But if you're first being introduced to these double integrals and just need the steps outlined, this always works. Okay, work on the inside out. Keeping in mind then this one, we would be integrating first in terms of y. So x would be treated as a constant. All right, these would be the limits of integration for x, and that would be our second step. So definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.